If you're looking to save some cash while still enjoying home-cooked meals, you might have come across EveryPlate. But does this budget meal kit service really deliver on flavor without breaking the bank? Let's dig into the details. EveryPlate positions itself as a budget-friendly meal kit service, aiming to make home cooking accessible to everyone. The concept is straightforward. You select meals from a rotating weekly menu, and they send you all the ingredients you need, along with easy-to-follow recipes. Right off the bat, the pricing is appealing, often significantly cheaper than other meal kits, which is a huge draw for many. When you first log in, the interface feels user-friendly, making meal selection a breeze. There's a decent variety of meals, everything from pasta dishes to stir-fries, though some users might find the options a bit repetitive over time. The ingredients are generally fresh, but there have been occasional reports of missing items, which can be frustrating. One thing to note, while the meals are designed to be quick and simple, they may not satisfy those looking for gourmet or highly specialized dietary options. Overall, it seems to cater well to families or anyone looking to simplify their dinner routine without a hefty price tag. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, EveryPlate's pricing is definitely a standout feature, making it one of the most affordable options out there. The meals are generally easy to prepare, making it great for busy weeknights. However, there are some drawbacks. The selection, while varied, can feel limited over time, and some users have noted that the flavors may not be as robust as they'd like. Also, the occasional missing ingredients can throw a wrench in your meal planning. Additionally, if you have specific dietary needs, you might find the options lacking. Overall, EveryPlate is ideal for budget-conscious families or individuals who prioritize convenience and cost over gourmet experiences, but it might not suit foodies or those with strict dietary restrictions. In conclusion, EveryPlate is a solid choice for anyone looking to save money on meal kits while still enjoying the convenience of home-cooked meals. If you're not overly picky about gourmet flavors and just want something easy and affordable, it's worth a try. However, if you're a culinary enthusiast or have specific dietary needs, you might want to explore other options.